Hello all, welcome to my channel Prashanti today. So in our last class we discussed about job and exit steps. So in our class today, in today's class we will discuss about DD step. So before going to DD step, let us know about datasets. What is dataset? So datasets are mainframe files with records organized in specific format. So they are stored in the form of DASD, direct access storage device, or tapes. So these are basic data storage areas. So apart from that, DD names we will use for input and output files. In this parameters will be like DSRG, storage requirement, and record length. Like that, few parameters will be, which we will discuss in later in detail. Okay, coming to DD step. So in this DD step, there are three things mainly. One is DD name, another is DD, another is parameters. So DD name, what is DD name? It is an input or output file name. Okay, then DD, what is DD? Keyword to identify it as a DD statement. We will go to parameters. We will go one by one. First, DSN. What is DSN means? DSN means dataset name. So it is a physical dataset name of newly created or existing dataset. So in this file name, there are some parts will be. So some A dot, B dot, C dot, like that it will be divided into some parts. So each part will be 1 to 8 characters. So total of 44 characters length it should be. We can say it as subnames. Subname 1 dot, subname 2 dot, subname 3. I think it is what is it is one of the DD name. Dataset. So if we calculate the length of subname 1, subname 2, subname 3, it should be less than or equal to 44, and each subname's length also should be less than or equal to 8. So this is about DSN. Then we will go to DISP, second DD parameter. So in this there are three main things. They are status, normal disposition, abnormal disposition. Status, in status there are mainly four things: new, old, mod, share. So new means it is a newly created dataset. Old means it is already created dataset. So old means it is mainly used for overriding the records. Mod means it is also already created dataset, but it used to append newly adding records to existing dataset. Next one is share. So share means it is used for multiple datasets to be read by same time, to be read at same time. So this is about status. Next, normal disposition. What is normal disposition? In this normal disposition there are total 5 types: catalog, uncatalog, keep, delete, pass. Catalog means dataset is created with an entry in catalog, retained with an entry in catalog. Dataset is retained with an entry in catalog. Uncatalog means dataset is retained and catalog entry is removed. And keep. Keep means it is used for dispositional datasets. What is delete? Delete is used for to delete from user and system catalog. Delete the dataset from user and system catalog. Pass. Next one is pass. Pass means the dataset is passed and processed by next job step in JCL. So in keep, what it will do is the dataset is retained without changing any of the catalog entries. So this is about normal disposition. Abnormal disposition also consists of same these 5 types only. So what is the difference between normal and abnormal dispositions is like, in normal disposition, if the job success, this normal disposition value will take. Abnormal disposition means if a job abends at this step, this abnormal disposition value it will take. So coming to next thing, next parameter, it is DCP. So DCP means data control block, not data control block. I will tell later about DCP full form. So in this DCP, there are 4 main types. Four main things. They are LRECL, RECFM, block size, and DSR. LRECL means logical record length of one record. So we can tell records size like that. Then RECFM. RECFM means record format of dataset. Then block size. Block size means size of a physical block. Then DSR. DSR means dataset organization. Means it will be either PS or PDS. PS means you might be already knowing physical sequential, whereas PDS means partition dataset. Okay. We will go to next parameter. It is space. So space means it consists of 2 things mainly. In one thing, space units, primary, secondary, directory, and release. So these are the three things we can tell. So in space units, these 3 values will be there: cylinder, track, and block. One cylinder equal to 15 tracks and one track equal to 7 blocks. So in primary, secondary, directory, in primary and secondary, these space unit value only will be there. Suppose if we give CYL and if we give 100, 200, so primary space it will take 100 cylinders, and secondary space it will take 200 cylinders, like that. Directory means directory blocks. And release means it is used to release unused space at job completion. Okay, next parameter is unit. So unit means a type of device stored on device. Unit means type of device in which dataset is stored. Volume. Next parameter is volume. So volume means volume number on type of device identified by unit parameter. Last parameter is sysout. So sysout means corresponds to data being used in dataset. Data corresponds data to the class being specified in the dataset. So in this sysout there are 2 values, either A or star. A means it will correspond to printer, the value will be directed to printer. If star means it will take same destination as of message class. So this is about DD step. By this I am stopping this video. If you have any doubts, please comment in comment section. I am ready to help you. I am always ready to help you guys. Thank you. Bye.